come here wondering how you can strengthen your glutes and the benefits of strengthening your glutes and how that actually impacts your overall performance within the gym, then you come to the right place. My name is Salo, welcome to Just Ball. Let's talk about the main benefits of having stronger glutes anyway. You're able to run faster, you're able to jump higher, you're able to perform much greater stability when working out, and generally, well, girls like it. Guys like it for girls, girls like it for guys. One of the most attractive things from girls is actually glutes. And well, guys already know. Guys like big bums, so what can I say? The main benefit as well is that you move much more efficiently, you're much more agile as well because of stronger glutes. So there's many pros to focusing on glutes anyway. Now, in terms of how to strengthen your glutes as well, as a genuine athlete, what people tend to not do, especially for men, is to do hip thrust. Hip thrust is a major good workout, purely because of your hips. Some workouts you can't be able to do as well because you don't really have the hip strength to do it. So generally, hip thrust is definitely a very good workout, and it helps target the hips directly, whereas other workouts like squatting, hamstring raises, or even leg curls don't actually work on the hips as much. It's not really a work. It's an isolated workout, just like working on shoulders for arms. You need to actually spend the time to actually work on them, which is why I definitely say hip thrust, it helps targets the weak points that many people tend to not work on as much. Stay tuned for my hip workout video where I'm going to go well and deep about what to do to strengthen your hips and the workouts, the reps, the sets, and what to do to strengthen your hips and help improve your overall performance within the gym. Anyway, in this video though, literally going to mention hip thrust purely because it's one of the overall best workouts, just to get straight into it if you guys aren't trying to waste time. Another workout that I definitely say people should do is walking lunges. Walking lunges helps improve your stability, helps you keep focused while working out as well. Walking lunges is definitely one that I would definitely say is actually a top 5 leg workouts, purely because it isolates each and every leg, so you can focus not just on strength but also stability as well for each lunge that you tend to do. Also with lunges, a much greater stability can also be transferred even into squats, because if you watch my previous video about doing barbell squats, if you haven't watched it, you should watch it now, where barbell squats obviously is one of the foundational workouts alongside of bench, alongside of deadlift. So knowing how to barbell squat a certain amount, I would definitely say if you're a man, 150% of your body weight. If you're a woman, 125%, then you're one of the top 5% of people that can actually squat your body weight. That's something you should be proud about. It's something you should always acknowledge, and yeah, it's a nice thought knowing that you're one of the top 5% of people that can squat your own body weight. Well, 150% of your body weight, or 125% if you're a woman. In terms of reps and sets for each of these, I'll definitely say 12 reps, 4 sets, purely because this is what's ideal for muscle building and also strengthening as well. It goes hand in hand. If you want to go for a bit less reps, then I'll definitely say do more sets. So if you're looking to do, if you're focusing purely on power, then I'll definitely say 8 reps, 5 sets, or even 6 sets. But the 6th set is going to be till failure. If you have more time or if you're not as tired in the gym, I would say the 6th set should be till failure. These 2 are my best ones. But lastly, I'll definitely say would be normal frog squats. Not barbell squats, but frog squats. These help strengthen the glutes because you have to go very deep. And it's quite different towards barbell squats, purely because barbell squats, you kind of have a risk element where people are a bit more cautious about how much you can squat till failure. Whereas frog squats, there's not really much of a limit. It's with the dumbbells. If you're gonna go to failure, all you need to do is drop the dumbbell. It's not gonna really make any noise. You're not really at risk of hurting anyone else as well. Whereas barbell squats, you're at risk of getting your back broken. So the disparities, the differences between the two, it's quite clear. Or you can do a hack squat. Hack squat is quite good as well, but ideally, my personal opinion, frog squat will definitely be the most ideal in terms of strengthening your glutes and increasing your performance if you're not already doing normal squats. Normal squats overall will be the best performance, but you have to. Normal squats will only be much more ideal if you already have a strong back to help support the weight of a normal squat, alongside of a strong core as well. But some people tend to either lack one or the other. So ideally, if you want to strengthen purely your glutes without having to worry about a stronger back or worry about strengthening your core, I'll definitely say frog squats would be much more ideal than normal barbell squats, purely because this video was meant for you to strengthen your glutes, not your back, not your core, but your glutes. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe and share, and let me know in the comments what you guys like about the video and if these workouts actually work best for you. It worked best for me, it worked best for my clients, so it should work for you. But yeah, see you guys soon. Stay well.